There was a great deal on chicken wings, organic chicken wings. So I'm going to make teriyaki garlic chicken wings, and I'm going to freeze them. So I'm gonna get teriyaki marinade. I'm gonna put about a heaping tablespoon of garlic and a little bit of ginger paste in there. I would say half a teaspoon of ginger paste in there. And then I'm gonna mush it all together in here, label it, and then I'm gonna cook it. You could bake it or air fry it. I like baking it better. So you'll see how it comes out. I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees, and I'm going to bake my chicken wings for at least 40 minutes. I'm going to spray my pan, which I lined with aluminum foil, and then I did a cooling cooking rack, but I'm going to spray this with avocado oil. So we'll see what happens, and then I'm gonna spread the chicken out. This is what they look like on the tray. And here they are after 40 minutes in the oven, and then staying in the oven for 10 minutes with the oven off.